What is up, guys? Take a look at this 1969 Ford Mustang Fastback, also known as the sports roof. This one is a 351 Windsor automatic transmission. It runs and drives excellent. This thing's in top shape. Originally from Florida. It's got no rot, no rust anywhere. No bubbling. I'm going to be taking you through the vehicle just so you have an idea of overall condition, so you know what you're getting before you come here, or if you want to ship it out, you know what you're getting when it comes and it's delivered to you. It's got the American Racing wheels on it. It's got good tires on it. Back ones are in good shape. Just check out the front ones. Front ones are also in good shape. The paint's in very good shape. We got the Boss striping kit on it. Let's first start with the ugly on the car. No known flaws of the vehicle. If you go through the body, this stripe over here, it's off a little bit. Got a little, looks like a hole here. Mirror here, it's got an extra hole here. But that's it, guys, for the outside. Besides that, it's in excellent condition. Let's take a look at the inside. Seats are in great shape. The only thing about this vehicle, it's got a blue color interior on a red car. Originally the vehicle wasn't red. Good thing is it's a dark blue. You got a, looks like a crack here. You got the Grant steering wheel in it. We got 68,152 miles on it. Headliner's coming down a little bit there. See if I can pull that seat up. Door shut good. Take a look under the hood, and then we'll look underneath it and then start it up. Like I said earlier, it's a 351 Windsor. It's a solid runner. Frame rails are in good shape. No rot or rust on it. Got the VIN number right there. It's an M code. It's all solid here. underneath. And that's the best thing about this vehicle. The highlight of this one is the undercarriage. This is one of the cleanest ones I've seen in a while. Look at that undercarriage. It is spotless. Frame rails are good, floorboards are good. Look at the front torque box. It's in perfect condition. Nothing. Not an ounce of rust. Fire it up. Guys, she's up for sale now on our website, getallcars.com. That's G-E-T-A-L-L cars.com. Give us a call, 215-801-9493. My name is Rob. That's my direct line. Or you can call us at the office at 215-805-3100. We are located about 15 to 20 minutes outside of Trenton Mercer Airport in New Jersey. We're about 45 minutes from Philadelphia International. You can fly in, we'll pick you up. We'll bring you to the lot. And you can take a look at it in person, or you can give us a call. We'll do a FaceTime virtual test drive. And if you just want to buy it, we'll make a deal and we'll ship it out to you. We ship it anywhere in the US and worldwide. We can get to any port in the United States. Thank you, and God bless the USA.